Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by preparing both earbuds and your source device. First, charge the Wf-1000xm4 and the case to a reliable level so the process won't be interrupted. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it within a few feet. Open the charging case and press and hold the touch sensors on both earbuds until the indicator flashes. This forces the earbuds into pairing mode. It's the active signal your device needs to detect them. You now switch to your phone and locate the Wf-1000xm4 in the Bluetooth list. Tap the listing to initiate pairing and accept any permission requests or pop-ups. Once paired, you may be prompted to allow audio or call access. Grant them so all functions work. If you want better control and firmware updates, open the Sony Headphones Connect app and follow prompts to complete setup. This app also helps adjust noise canceling and touch controls for a personalized experience. Finish by testing audio. Play music and make a short call to ensure stereo output and microphone are working. If you see issues, make sure the case and earbuds are charged and close to the device. Should pairing fail, place the earbuds back in the case, hold the pairing button until the LED cycles, then try again. This resets Bluetooth state. If intermittent drops continue, update firmware in the Sony app or unpair, and re-add the device to clear lingering connection settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.